Hello, Pixie here, and in this video I'll be doing a time lapse of this acrylic fairy painting on canvas called Sienna Willow. Here I'm just watering my flowers that I have in my terrace, and I do have some even in my garden. I absolutely love painting flowers as well. I'm just getting my canvas ready. These are the acrylic paints that I'm using today. I just thought I'd cut a few flowers and put them by my side while I paint. I do like to use a throwaway palette, very useful. Here I'm using Schmink Soft Pastel for the skin undertone color. It's a blue shade. I just find I have more control. And say hi to Mr. Botticelli, my art assistant. Then I take a dry soft brush and I smudge the color wherever I want the shade to be, the underskin shading to be. And then I take a color that I want the skin tone to be. This is already a color made because I really don't like mixing my own skin colors. I kind of just go over the skin a few times with a certain already made skin color, and then I add white to it, or I add blues or purples. This is just the way I do it. It's not exactly the right way, but this is basically how I get my skin color to look. Then I go ahead with the eyes. I just love painting eyes. If you love painting eyes, please let me know in the comments. I especially love painting big, innocent eyes. And I go through the eye with many layers of paint until I get the desired look I'm looking for. I usually go for the innocent eye, glowing eye. Here I'm adding highlights. Again, lots of layering. As you can tell, my eyes are not realistic at all. They're more of an ethereal, whimsical eye. But I think it's cute. Here I'm just adding more color to the eye, a little bit of blue just under the iris. I think it adds something. And then I'm adding some eyelashes. You know, when I'm painting, I do make lots of mistakes, and I just take some water, wipe it away with a tissue, and no problem. It's only paint, you know. You got this, I got this, so it's all good. And I'm just going over the lips, the mouth, the cheeks. I love having rosy cheeks. I usually go over the cheeks quite a bit. And I add a little bit of highlights here and there. So for this fairy, I decided to have red hair on her. I just absolutely love red hair. I wish I could go red. I'm a brunette, and maybe I should try it. Should I try it? Here I'm just adding some background. I'm adding in chalk pencil because it's easy to erase afterwards if I don't like the result. And then I add paint. I'm just adding simple flowers to the hair. I kind of changed my mind. And then I'm adding glitter to the wings. This is a gloss medium, and then I smooth it out with a palette, and then I take good quality glitter and I just sprinkle it on like pixie dust. Consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!